going on, guys? It's Sergio
and Sheila,
and we are the Sergio and Sheila Real Estate Group, your Dallas luxury real estate experts, coming soon to a closing near you.
That's right. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time to the channel and you enjoy watching home tours and learning all things real estate, we would like to personally invite you to our YouTube family by subscribing. So please make sure to subscribe down below.
And now that you've done that, I'll share with you where we find ourselves today. Today we are in the East Dallas neighborhood of Little Forest Hills. Literally, it's 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute walk to the Arboretum. It's a 7-minute walk to White Rock Lake. It's awesome. And then to downtown, you're talking about a 10-minute drive. It's a great neighborhood. We're here at a new construction modern home. Sheila, tell us more about this one.
Yes, it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,250 square feet, and it's on a 7,900 square foot lot. It's roughly at $400 a square foot, and it's listed at $1,350,000.
Wow, this is pretty cool. I can't wait to show you guys. Enjoy.
Enjoy the music and enjoy the tour.
Again.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Down below, we have more information about the property, and if you're interested in viewing the property, please make sure to reach out to us.
And if you're interested in selling your house for top dollar in today's market, or looking to relocate to the Dallas area, or maybe you're already here but need to find a new home, make sure to I always say fill out, but make sure to schedule a buyer consultation call with us down below.
Well, actually, you do fill out information on the
I guess you do
buyer
fill
and
out.
seller consultation form.
Yeah.
But anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.
Oh, and remember to follow us on Instagram at Sergio Sheila. Hey, once again, thank you so much for following us, guys, and watching.
See you guys next time.